Hey guys, welcome back. So as you saw there, we're going to be doing ziti for dinner tonight. So basically what you're going to need for that is ziti noodles, ground beef, and a pasta sauce of your choice. So pretty much what I'm doing right here is just browning out my ground beef. You can use whatever kind of meat you want to get ready to go in with the pasta. And I also have my pasta on the stove right next to this as I am browning out the meat. So now what I'm going to be doing is just taking the pasta sauce and mixing it in with the meat, just getting it ready to go into the pasta. So once you've drained your pasta noodles, you're going to want to pour them back into the pot and then add your meat and sauce mixture in, as I'm doing here. Next up, you're going to want to grab your cheese. I personally love to put ricotta cheese into my ziti because it makes it really creamy. And then you can also add some shredded cheese. I'm using an Italian blend. You can use mozzarella or whatever kind of cheese you like. I added some salad along with it, and this is the final result. And now we're going to be moving on to the cleanup after the meal, and this is pretty much my evening routine right here. Right after dinner, usually every night, I will immediately do the dishes so that I don't have to worry about it for the rest of the night and can just sit down and relax with my family. And finally, the kitchen is clean and I'm able to sit down and relax with my family. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and I hope to see y'all on my next one. Please be sure to like and subscribe before you leave. Thanks so much.